Hello, it's me.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, and you? Morning.
Good morning. How are you this morning? Pretty good?
Very good. Very
Okay,
fine.
excellent. I'm glad to hear that.
Good
Hello, good
morning.
morning, Lotte.
Good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Emma. Morning, Lotte.
Before we start, I just wanted to make sure, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, well, welcome to today's class. Um, how's the weather in El Salvador right now?
Mm, it's fresh. I don't know if
Cool,
it's correct.
cool, cool,
Cool.
cool.
What is the
Cool. So
cool? Okay.
yeah, cool. So cool is the opposite. Let's say we have the opposite of warm, right? So it's cool is between cold and warm, basically. Right? So it's like um yeah, so it's not cold, but it's the temperature is a little bit lower. Does that make sense?
No, but it's not the no. Yeah, but it's not the adverse for right now. It's an enjoyable weather.
Oh, okay. Um Okay, so well, it's pleasant then. Pleasant,
Pleasant. Yeah. Yeah.
pleasant.
Pleasant. Yeah.
Hmm.
Pleasant.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think, Emmanuel? Do you think that the weather's pleasant?
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
a pleasant. Cool.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm guessing that means that it's not hot. That it's not that it
No,
there it's not no, okay. Okay. Is it raining or just cloudy?
no,
No, no, no. Only,
no.
only.
It's a sunny day, but it's not hot still.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, those are the best days. You're absolutely right. Okay, good. Here it's raining, 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 and it's cold. It's like 4 degrees right now. Yeah.
It's
So,
raining.
yeah, here it's raining a lot. And yeah, it's just here that it's always like when we have rain, it's not like in El Salvador that it rains for like 1 or 2 hours and that's it. Here it rains the whole day. Whole day. It's just like raining, 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 raining. But it's not um like the
It's
rain is
not. It's not a hard rain.
yeah, yeah, exactly. It's not like in El Salvador that it rains really hard. No, here it's just like
Yeah.
it's like a constant soft rain. Yeah.
So
Yes. Okay, well, guys, we're gonna start right away with our class. Carolina won't be joining us today, so it'll just be the three of us. Okay, so oh, by the way, Lotte, we started a new unit yesterday. Um, and we're going to be learning today about gerund phrases. Okay, this is unit 3. And we're going to be looking about gerund phrases. Now, do you understand what a noun clause is? Or or a noun phrase. Let's say a noun phrase. Do you understand what a noun phrase is?
No.
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 Okay. So a noun phrase is a noun that is composed of many words. So to give you an example, let's say I say, instead of saying, I don't know, the flight. Instead of saying the flight as the noun, we can say the flight that leaves in an hour. So this is just a simple noun, the flight, right? You guys understand what is the flight?
Yes.
Yeah. Emmanuel, do you understand the flight?
Yep.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Okay, so the flight is just a simple noun, okay? But the flight that leaves in an hour is a noun phrase. Why is it a noun phrase? Because it is a noun that is composed of many words. Okay? It's not just one word. It's composed of many words. So we could say, for example, the flight that leaves in an hour, let's continue saying this, is heading to Europe. Okay, so if you notice, all of this is a sentence, right? All of this is a sentence. The flight that leaves in an hour is heading to Europe. Now, this is the subject, right? The subject, but if you notice, the subject is long because the subject is a noun phrase. Does that make sense for you guys?
Yes.
Okay. Lotte, does that make sense for you?
Yes, it makes sense, but sure if I understood the concept, in fact.
Okay. Tell me, what did you understand?
No, I understand all the phrase, of course,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I don't know what is the meaning of no phrase, in fact.
Okay, so the noun phrase, it means when instead of having just the noun, one word, there are a number of words that put together to create a subject or an object. Okay, so if instead of saying, for example, okay, so instead of saying the shirt, okay, for example, the shirt is red. Instead of just saying the shirt is red, the shirt is a subject, I'm going to say the shirt that Lotte is wearing is red. So I'm being very specific, and the subject is the shirt that Lotte is wearing. All of that is a noun phrase. Does that
Yeah,
make sense?
I got it.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So basically, it's when you're being very specific. You're being very specific to identify what the subject is or what the object is that we're talking about. Okay? So it's composed of many, many words. Okay? Um, all right. So this is a noun phrase. And the reason why I'm bringing this up before I explain what a gerund phrase is that a gerund phrase is the same thing as a noun phrase. Why is it the same thing? Because it's a subject or an object that is composed of many words. The difference is that this is a specific type of noun phrase. This one is a noun phrase that is an activity. Okay? But in essence, it's really a noun phrase. So in this case, instead of talking about, for example, I don't know, the sport that I love. The sport that I love is I don't know. The sport that I love is very active.
Volleyball.
Let's say, okay? The sport that I love is very active. So in this case, the sport that I love is a noun phrase. Yes? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to change this noun phrase specifically into a gerund phrase. And I'm going to say, I'm going to use a gerund to be more specific. For example, I'm going to say, playing soccer is very active. So now I'm using, it's the same idea, right? So the sport that I love is playing soccer, but I'm being specific in what kind of noun phrase I'm using. I'm using a gerund phrase. Remember that the gerund is using the verb plus the ing. All of this now becomes the gerund phrase. Does that make sense to you? So a gerund phrase is basically a noun phrase, but in an ing format. Does that make sense?
More or less.
Okay, so this is a noun. This is playing soccer is a noun because it's an activity. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so playing soccer is an activity. And because it's an activity, it becomes a noun. Sorry, it becomes a gerund. Yeah? But it's not just one gerund. Notice it's playing soccer. All of that is a phrase. Or I can even say, to make it a little bit more, playing soccer on the beach. Let's say. Playing soccer on the beach is very active. Or I can even say, let's change the active part and say is very difficult. Okay? Playing soccer on the beach is very difficult. So now notice all of this is the subject. Playing soccer on the beach is the subject. And specifically, it's a gerund because it's not just soccer, it's playing soccer on the beach. Does that make sense for you guys?
Yes.
Yeah? Emmanuel, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, just all you got to understand is that the gerund phrase is an activity. And the activity is in the ing format. Okay? So you're using the verb plus the ing. In this case, playing soccer. Now, some examples of this gerund phrase can be, for example, playing games all day. Playing games all day. That is a subject, but it's composed of many words. And if you notice, it's in the ing format, playing. Being a flight attendant sounds exciting. So notice again, being is in the ing. That's a gerund, being a flight attendant. Designing clothes is not a man's job. So designing clothes is an activity in the ing format. Working as a veterinarian could be rewarding. So working as a veterinarian is a gerund phrase because it's composed of many words and it's in the ing format. So far, so good? Does that make sense? Yeah? It's okay so far?
Yes,
So far,
yes.
so good.
Okay, good. Now we can identify that this is a gerund phrase as a subject because it precedes, it's before the verb. Like in this case, would be. In this case, sounds. In this case, is. And in this case, could be. Sorry, could be rewarding. Okay? So it always precedes or it always goes before a verb. But it's not the only way you can use it. Gerund phrases can also be used as objects. Like in this case, she'd be good at testing games. Here we have testing games is the gerund. It's a noun or an activity that is in the ing format. He'd love being a flight attendant. So here, being a flight attendant is the gerund phrase because it's a verb plus ing, which is an activity. He wouldn't like being a fashion designer. Here, being a fashion designer is the activity that is in the ing format. She'd enjoy working with animals. Working with animals is in the ing format. Okay? Now, in this case, we know that the gerund is an object. And the reason we know that it's an object is because it goes after the verb. In this case, it's would be, would love. Wouldn't like, would enjoy. Okay, so this one is the verb plus ing before a verb. That means it's a subject. And this is the ing phrase, right? Or the ing, let's say activity, after the verb. Does that make sense for you guys?
I need practice.
Yeah, I know you need practice, but does the theory
Maybe when I
make sense?
saw in the
Does the theory make sense?
yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Because as long as the theory makes sense, we can start practicing, right? But if the theory doesn't make sense, then it's going to be difficult to get the idea in the practice. Okay, let me just I'm going to be sending you guys this to the WhatsApp group. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay. All right, I sent it to the group. Okay, so now that we understand the theory, let's put it into practice. Okay, so let's take a look at letter A. We have, look at the gerund phrase in column A. Write your opinion of each job by choosing information from columns B and C. Then add two more gerunds, phrases, and write similar sentences. So to give you an idea, we can say, oh no, okay. To give you an example, it says, working from home, um, um, would be
Stressful.
maybe stressful. Okay. Working from home would be stressful. Okay. This is just an example, right? I mean, it really depends on what your ideas are, right? Like, I mean, for some people it would be stressful. For other people, maybe it's not stressful. Maybe for other people it's fantastic. Maybe for other people it's pretty difficult. Sorry, guys, I don't know what's going on here. Oh, maybe I'm just gonna. Okay, yeah. So it really is going to depend on your own ideas, right? Like I said, maybe some people would say would be pretty difficult, whatever. Okay, so let's talk about the first one. Emmanuel, tell me about working from home. What is your opinion?
Working from home could be, for me, could be stressful.
Okay, fair enough. Very good. Lotte, what about you?
Working from home could be fantastic.
Interesting. See, everybody has different opinions. Okay.
Yes, it
Yeah.
depends. We would like
Absolutely. Yes. Good. Okay. Lotte, tell me number two.
doing volunteer work could be very rewarding.
Okay, good.
What is exactly rewarding?
Oh, that's a good question. Rewarding is something that gives you satisfaction and makes you feel
Yeah.
good about
Okay.
yourself.
Yeah.
Okay?
I almost understood that. I was not sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So something it makes you feel it gives you satisfaction and makes you feel good about yourself. Yeah. Okay. Manuel, what about number two?
Having your own business would be fascinating.
Okay. Um, good, good, good. Can you also tell me number two about doing volunteer work?
Ah, okay. Doing volunteer work uh, could be fantastic,
Okay.
or could be, yeah,
Yeah.
could be very challenging.
Could be challenging. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay. All right. Okay. Lotte, what about number three?
Having your own business seems very challenging.
Okay. Yes. Yes, I agree. Yes. Sounds very challenging. But I think also having your own business uh must be really rewarding, I think. Okay.
Yes.
All right, Lotte, tell me about number four.
Working on a movie set uh, doesn't sound awful.
Okay, very good. Working on a movie set doesn't sound awful. Okay, Emmanuel, how about you?
Working on a movie set must be fantastic, or
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
a
good.
movie set. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Okay. All right, Emmanuel, number five.
Uh, Being a teacher could be awful.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, sure. Okay. Lotte?
But only with the kids,
Oh, with
because the
kids.
kids it's
Okay,
very
okay.
the kids are very they are very bad.
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. All
It's
right.
like a lote, too much bullying
Ah.
for everyone.
Okay. Lotte, what about you? I think I have an idea what you think.
Number five,
Mm-hmm.
being a teacher uh, seems fantastic. At least for my retire,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, because I remember you mentioning,
I would like to be a teacher in my retire.
yeah, I remember you mentioned that before that you would like
Yes.
to be a teacher one day. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Yeah, excellent. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, Lotte, number six.
Making a living as a tour guide uh, must be fascinating.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, good. Emmanuel?
Uh, no, making a living as a tour guide.
Mm-hmm.
That's
No,
the number six, right?
tour guide, no, tour guide.
No, tour guide, no. You like the tour
Oh
guide?
man,
Me too.
Lotte. Okay,
But
Okay,
okay.
making a living as a tour guide.
we are in the inclusion era. It's no problem, Emma.
Okay.
You can go.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
You can go with me.
Oh my, okay.
Okay,
So,
make a living as a tour guide
mhm.
must be very challenging.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. Um, I think it would be fascinating. Oh, yeah, I would say, okay, I would say, yeah, making a living as a tour guide must be fascinating because yeah, I actually that's one of the jobs that I would love to have. Yeah. Okay. Manuel, number seven.
Taking care of sick people will
Mm-hmm.
be really rewarding.
Okay, yes. Okay. All right, Lotte?
Taking care of sick people must be stressful.
Mm, yeah, yeah.
And I don't know how to say dangerous. No, dangerous. No, I don't know how to say the correct word because sick people need special attention. If you make a mistake, they should be got got sick, got more sick. I don't know.
Oh, okay. I see what
Got
you're
hurt,
saying.
got hurt, got hurt, got hurt.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Maybe you're looking for the word like mm, uh
The number eight,
no, no, no. I'm thinking of what word loaded is what word would describe what Lotte is trying to say. Um
Yeah, because the sick people are usually delicate with the
mm-hmm,
movements, with the cares,
mm-hmm,
and whatever mistake with them, it's a
mm-hmm.
possible hurt.
Right.
Hurt.
Yes, yes. Um I'm trying to find an adjective that describes that. Um Taking care of sick people must be uh I would just maybe I would just say simply would be a big responsibility, something like that, right? Because when you have a big responsibility, um then you have a lot on like it's uh, maybe risky might be something that
Risky,
you're
yes. It's
yeah,
risky. It's
risky.
risky, yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
it's
I think
really
that's
risky.
hmm okay.
It's
All
a
right.
kind profession, in fact, but
It
there are
is.
special people for that. Possible,
Yeah.
I don't I am not that kind of people. Possible.
Right. Yeah, and not and it's okay, right? Just like for example, Emmanuel says that teaching would be awful, but you think it's fascinating, right? So everybody has their own opinion depending on their personality, right? So and you're right, like not everybody can take care of sick people. Yeah. Um Yeah, I think taking care of sick people could be really rewarding though, to help people feel better. That makes you feel very, very good about yourself. Okay, all right, looked at number 8.
Number 8, retiring at age 40 was my dream, but was not possible,
I think it's everybody's
unfortunately for me.
dream.
Yes. No, but according to the list,
Hmm.
retiring at age 40 seems fantastic.
Mm, okay.
I'm
Yeah.
agree. I'm agree.
You agree? Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah. I agree too. We'd all be retired by now and then. Okay. All right, Emmanuel. Now think of your own idea. Something that comes to
Okay.
your mind.
Okay. Uh, go to vacation. It
Okay.
will be rewired, rewinding,
Rewarding. Yes. Very good. Okay. Excellent.
rewarding.
Yes. Very good. Okay. You said go on vacation, right?
Uh,
Go on
or take a
vacation.
vacation.
Okay. All right. Sure. Let's do take a vacation. All right.
Oh, okay.
Good. This would be a noun phrase, but because we want to make it a gerund phrase, what do we have to do? How do we change this to a gerund phrase?
Taking or
Yes.
taking.
Excellent.
Or go,
Taking.
okay, and then I say
Right.
going to vacation, going
Yeah.
on
Taking
vacation.
a vacation. Yeah. There you go. Taking a vacation. Good. Yeah, you got it. Okay. So taking a vacation, what did you say? Manuel, taking a
I
vacation?
don't remember, but taking a vacation will be great.
Yeah, good. Okay. Lotte, what about you? Give me your own idea.
Okay. Taking a vacation too?
No, anything, your own idea.
Okay. Uh, Working from home,
Mm-hmm.
especially nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
it's better because the traffic is rush in El Salvador, right, these days.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right, so there's a lot
There
of
are there are
traffic.
there are a lot of traffic in the street in the afternoon. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. All right. Okay. Give me another one, Emmanuel. Your own idea.
Okay. Okay. Reading a book every month would be fascinating.
Yeah. Reading a book. Okay. Yes. Very good. Would be fascinating. Excellent. Okay. Lotte, one more for you.
Continue with the tema idea. Reading a book every month is a challenge that I have never done.
Beautiful.
Mhm.
There you go. Yeah. Very good.
It's a big challenge.
It's a
It's a
big
big
challenge.
challenge.
Yes, yes, it's very
Yes,
difficult.
it is. Yeah. Okay, see, you guys got it. Very good. You understand it quite well. So basically, this part here, this column A, what it is the subject, right? This is a subject because the verb is this one right here, right? And the complement is this. So if this
But
is
the
this,
complement is whatever complement.
yeah, yeah. So in this case, the gerund phrase is a subject, okay? In this case, because it's at the beginning, it's before the verb, okay?
Yes.
And don't
Mhm.
forget, don't forget that to make it a what's it called? Um, a gerund, we always have to use the ing format of the verb to make it an activity. Okay? All of these are in the ing. So long as you understand that and you remember that, you should be okay. Okay? Any questions before we continue?
No, I
Yeah.
think we need more practice only.
Okay, fair enough. Okay.
But I
All
think
right.
I understood the concept.
Perfect. Okay. All right. We're going to continue practicing when we come back. We're going to cut the class right now, this video, and we'll come back in a moment. Okay. So see you guys
Okay.
in a few seconds.